Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share to you all about trading or Bitcoin. Before that, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.
Artist NFT Kurba NFT artists say they patch censorship within the crypto market. Blockchain is direct and seeded and doesn't obey any government, so no embargo affect as their NFT artist Gabriel Biancini explained. Cuba's art market shut down completely during the pandemic, leading the community to turn to digital market for survival. However, artists say that they remain censored due to the United States sanction against Cuba, with us beside platform like the non-fungible token NFT marketplace OpenSea going to the extremes of deleting content and account linked to the country itself. The censorship began in January with the sudden closing of the account of Fabrica, the art cubano, an art gallery that provide exports to emerging artists as Cuban visual artist and founder of the project Crypto Cubans, Gabriel Bianchini, explained the embargoes sanction, sanction are so vague that platform just prefer to not take the risk and close our account. This type of censorship is common occurrence for carbon artists exposing their work on the internet. Ernesto Cisneros, a musician and FT artist, recounted his own experience as a trick on after losing all his earnings on on pattern due to the embargo during the pandemic. This experience brought him to Web3, anywhere that the same story would repeat repeat again, he recounted, adding to the consequences of censorship. They believe that Cuban artists have an increased susceptibility to being victim of hack, such is the case from Efirno and FT artists from Havana. There are antivirus programs that don't function correctly because I am in Cuba. He says, alleging that the lack of proper digital protection allowed an attacker pressing for an enter- interested buyer to send him a virus via Zoom link, which should otherwise have been detected by the software.
So thank you very much guys, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.